Layo ng pinanggalingan ko, Parañaque, umabot ako dito. Ang lamig-lamig pala dito. Yun ang sagot ko. Hindi ang katanungan is how do I maintain
your physique?
I think I have the luxury of time, no? Ibig sabihin, I have so much time now compared to maybe 10 years ago, 15 years ago when I was busy with politics. But now I'm so free, and I'm sure a lot of people would like to go to the gym, get themselves in shape. So I am blessed that kahit na papano, my main inspiration is my family. So I just want to stay in this earth longer. Do I know that I lived in borrowed time? So I am very grateful to God for what He has given me. Could you imagine? I started playing basketball at a very young age, and then I shift from basketball to acting first. Oo, yung araw pa yun. Tapos, I went to politics, no? And now, semi-retired on two of my professions, acting has been good to me. Kahit na paano, I'm able to come out on television, and sabi nga ni Piolo, ni PJ, rock and roll. I'm happy with my life. I think the important thing is when you do a teleserye, you have to learn something from your work, from the job that you accepted. No? Dito po sa amin, I have so much trust in our director, no? Si Director Eric, tsaka si Director Nick, lalo na si Director Eric, sapagkat siya mabusisi. Tuturuan kanya lahat kung paano. And patience is the key to any success, no? Whatever little success we all of us here will harvest, it depends on the director. But aside from that, actors will not make the movie or the teleserye. It is the story. Kapag bulok ang storya, kahit na lagyan mo yan, saksakan mo na yan ng 10 kalahati ng mga aktor at actresses na mga galing, hindi pa rin lalabas na maganda. I guess the combination of a good story and people like here that I am lucky to be with. Could you imagine? These are the young people, experienced, young as they are. And we are kami naman ni Lisa at ni Perla ay masasabi natin kahit na papano ay lumabas dito bilang magulang, bilang uncle, bilang auntie, or bilang tatay. Kasi po ang papel ko dito, no? Let me just elaborate, no? Ako'y tatay ni Anton, which is Diet, at saka ni Angel Aquino, no? Pero ako sa kagustuhan kong masunod yung aking pangarap, yung aking itulak ang aking anak sa direksyon na gusto ko, there is a lesson to be learned. Because we have to realize at a certain time of our lives as parents, we have to let go of our children and make them decide their future. Hindi natin sila pwedeng sakalin at sabihin, dito tayo pupunta. Ito ang dapat na gawin natin. At yan po ang naging papel ko dito. I am a spoiled father, not spoiling a son, but not even realizing that I'm already hurting him. And my daughter here, si Angel Aquino, siya naman ay mapuso, ambisyosa. And the purpose of this is she wants to please me. Ako naman, as a father, I play a conniving role here. When I should have told her, don't do that. Don't just do this. So, ang punto ko, napupunta tuloy kay Diet yung aking galit. Pero at the end of the line, you will see in the teleserye what really happens, and I hope you watch it. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thanks, Mr. Webb.
Okay, ito kay Leo bukas naman.
Limit na lang natin sa tatlo After ni Leo, we'll entertain 2 more. Okay, yeah. Okay.
Gusto kong tanongin si Angel Aquino.
Yeah.
It's so very humble of you para sabihin kanina na sana matapatan mo yung ginawa ni Empress. so happy and so proud.
Oh, Empress must have delivered real great.
Oo. At
Ano.
para sabihin ni Angel Aquino yung iba, husay-husay na actress na. Anong difference nga pala ng atake ng karakter mo dito bilang Vera before sa Magkaribal kung saan nandito sa Asian TV Awards at sa Adriana mo dito? Kasi parang pareho siyang Malaman.
Feisty and overbearing. Yun nga, nung natanggap ko to, medyo malaking challenge for me kung paano hindi siya magmumukhang si Vera. Kasi ewan ko ba bakit hanggang ngayon, people can't seem to get over Vera. And sana makalimutan nyo na at maalala nyo naman si Adriana this time. Anyway, yun yung goal ko, is to get out of the shadow of Vera and be Adriana, who she really is as the writers write her, and as the plot of how the plot of the story propels her to be. So yun yung malaking challenge ngayon sa akin kung paano ko siya gagawing independent from Vera. So what I do is I try to make her a little younger, yung mga I don't know if I'm successful in doing that, pero tinatry kong ibahin yung atake, gano'n. Tapos I am also grateful with the character, especially with Empress, nung napanood ko nga yung ginawa niya. Nilagyan niya kasi ng president yung gagawin ko. So I tried to pattern it and she did a wonderful job. So I just tried to pattern Adriana from how she did it. And also, with my co-actors, I'm very grateful to Rebecca. Actually,